What is it? Wednesday morning, July 16th, about 6 a.m. Wanted to get a jump on the day before I go to work. So I changed out one set. You can tell she's hit some rocks. I've tried to sharpen the blades. The lift is kind of bent on them. Put the new ones on. They're looking pretty sexy. Well, I figured I'd do something a little different for this video as we wait for the weather to figure it out. The weather just can't figure it out. I don't know what you're doing, Mother Nature, but you sure like to rain a lot lately. So I wanted to do an acre countdown. The 2025 acre countdown. We're going to go through how many acres we've mowed, raked, tedded, and baled. And then we'll get maybe a bale counter in there too. I've got all the numbers. So we'll start with that. We'll go through first crop into, well, we're maybe a quarter into first crop or second crop. So let's count them down because it's impressive. From last year, our first year out in hay, to this year, we're pretty close to tripling the numbers. So, oh yeah, this is the good ground. This is our testing, our proving grounds. 35 acres. We planted this last year. The seeding's coming in wonderful. But we were able to get out in the field quite early and do our testing because we had quite a bit of new equipment out there. Discbine, rake, baler. We were able to use the tedder from last year. Ben did upgrade the tedder, which is very helpful because the old tedder was, well, clapped out. We did find 2 bugs, one in the rake, one in the baler. Got them worked out early enough in the season so we could avoid some more breakdowns. Not always avoided, but we did a better job this time. I think you'll find a common theme through this whole video, which is us trying to outrun the rain that is always lurking in the background. This 30 acres is no exception to the fact that we had, 4 days of great drying weather, but it still wasn't enough. The night we got there to go bale it, it was still coming up pretty high in the moisture. We let it sit for another 12 hours. Which did dry it down enough to where we could bale it, but it could have used more because it had clover in it, and clover is very hard to dry. Oh yeah, 70 acres, 3 weeks. Let me tell you a little bit about this. First field was about 25 to 30 acres. Got that all knocked down. It took a very long time to get it dried. Tedded it, raked it with the nice rotary rake, baled it, still about 17% moisture. So we wrapped it anyways just to be safe. The rest of the acres, well, we mowed it in stages because the rain, we weren't sure. We weren't gambling, too precautious. Some of it got rained on. Some of it didn't get rained on. In the end, it worked out but it took us 3 weeks to complete. You want to talk about a stressful time? I don't think my weather app has ever been opened so many stinking times. It's worse than Facebook Marketplace that week. About 7 o'clock in the morning. I just got done doing chores around the house, and I am now going to swap out some boomerangs. Oh, that one got it good. That one too. It ground that thing right off. Oh, another one. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Here's another 26 acres to add on. We did this field last year for the guy. He's a great customer of ours. He helped us get into this this business. So, you know, we love working for him, with him, and it worked out. So this year, this new seeding's turned out amazing. Great grass, great lengths. Everything looked healthy. So it's good to see the success in our customers' fields as well. It's hot. Diesel fumes are just coming. Hay smells all swirling around. Grab a gear. Let's go. I think we're at 31 bales. And we're going to be done with this field. And it feels great. I found a bad wire in my harness, so my bale monitor wasn't working. So we had about an hour of dicking around. It is currently 5 o'clock. I've got 2 more farms to go to. Technically 3, but I told the guy, I'm like, you're gonna have to bale it. I just running behind. First crop. Everything happens, right? You gotta get everything, bugs, kinks. We're gonna get them worked out. Yeah, we're going to wrap this up, and we are done.
Woo! 6 a.m. Getting her rolled up. Let's see what yield moisture's on this stuff. She's still at 19. 119. Well, not as dry as we'd probably like it, but it's gonna get rolled up. Making some nice bales today. Get back in her. We got a lot of hay to bale yet today before the rain comes.
We're mowing. She's tall. It's barley. A lot of barley. That's what we're mowing today. And it's rocky. We are coming up to the end of the raking. Guy said it was going to be about 25 acres, and you can see here we're at 23.27 applied. He's pretty spot on. I think he's going to be within a quarter acre. We got some stackers here. Look at how big that windrow is. Look at that, just packed in there. We're only baling at 5 miles an hour, but it's doing it, and a lot of them. All right, gotta keep going. Let's do some mowing. We finally make it to one of our freshly rented fields where we put in some new seeding. Right now it's oats. We're cutting it in this video. A lot of work went into this ground to get it prepped up, so we're happy to see where it's at. Matter of fact, just today, we went and looked at it, and the alfalfa's popping hard, and it's great to see. So with just the mowing, raking, baling, tedding experience, we had some other work in there. We actually brush hogged 80 acres of pasture for a guy. We did some other work in there as well, but just the true acres. As a first crop, as we get ready to go into second crop, we did 336 acres. We know second crop there's going to be some fields that are going to drop off because they're going to be pastured, so we won't have to work them. But still, huge leap for us from last year. Last year we were at 100 and maybe 30 acres at the most with our custom and our own fields. This year we're bumping those numbers up. So we're happy to see progress. We're happy everything's going good. We're having a lot of fun doing it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos as we go through them. If you have any questions, put them in the little chat. And if you like our videos, maybe click that subscribe button. If you don't like our videos, hit that subscribe button. Because why not?